Chaudhry Charan Singh, born on 23rd December 1902 in Noorpur, Ghaziabad, became the India's first Prime Minister on 28 July 1979, serving until 14 January 1980. Supported by the Samajwadi Party and Congress, he was a strong advocate for farmers. Graduating in law from Agra University, Singh joined the Indian independence movement in 1930 and the United Provinces Legislative Council in 1937. Known for his agricultural reforms and opposition to the zamindari system, Singh's legacy includes the Chaudhry Charan Singh International Airport. He passed away on 29 May 1987 and was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2024. On July 28, 1928, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, as a member of Bombay Legislative Council, supported and passed the Maternity Benefit Bill, granting paid leave to working women during pregnancy. The bill aimed to protect women's health and rights, ensuring economic security and health facilities during maternity. Ambedkar advocated for rest before and after delivery, emphasizing the importance of women's welfare. Known as Masiha of Dalits, Ambedkar also championed issues such as electricity, finance, women's rights, labor, human rights, and water management. The First World War began on 28 July 1914 and ended on 11 November 1918. It started after Austrian Prince Francis Ferdinand was assassinated in Serbia, prompting Austria-Hungary to attack Serbia. The conflict expanded, involving half of the world's population, with the allied nation opposing the Axis nation. The war resulted in 9 to 11 million military and 6 to 12 civilian deaths. The League of Nations was established post-war to promote peace and cooperation. The 1919 Treaty of Versailles held Germany responsible, imposing heavy reparation and setting the stage for World War II. On July 28, 1976, the Great Tangshan earthquake struck Hebei, China at 3:42 a.m., measuring 7.6 on the Richter scale. The massive disaster killed approximately 2.5 lakh people, though unofficial estimates suggest a much higher toll. The earthquake caused widespread destruction, including fires and toxic gas leaks from plants, disrupting water and electricity supplies and destroying rail and road routes. Over 160,000 families were left homeless and more than 4,000 children were orphaned. The Great Tangshan earthquake remains one of the deadliest natural disasters in history.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी, एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
Fingerprints were first used in India on July 28, 1858, discovered by British officer William James Herschel in Bengal. Observing the misuse of written signatures and the difficulty of identification, Herschel implemented fingerprints for contract verification. This method was applied with state contractors in the Jarida district. The experiment proved successful and fingerprinting was later adopted widely for identification and evidence. By the late 19th century, it became a standard tool for crime investigation. Initially, full palm prints were used for identification, which eventually evolved into using just fingerprints. World Hepatitis Day is celebrated annually on July 28 to raise awareness about hepatitis, a liver disease causing inflammation and impaired function. The date honors Nobel Prize winner scientist Baruch Samuel Blumberg, who developed diagnostic tests and vaccines for hepatitis B. Initiated in 2008, the day highlights the importance of liver health as untreated hepatitis can lead to severe complications, including liver cancer. Global events and programs are organized to educate the public about prevention, diagnosis, and treatment, emphasizing the need for early detection and proper medical care.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.